Now that we know how to change a fixture's parameters on the Strand Neo Compact 10 console, today I'm going to show you how to store a fixture's parameters into a specific palette. Palettes are used when you can store specific values of a fixture for easy recall later. You can use a palette for intensity, position, color, and beam. The first palettes I typically make are color palettes. I do this so I can get a feel for the look I want to create for the show. In order to do this, first I select a group. For example, I select Group 1, Enter. And then I select the Color tab. Here in the Color tab, we have RGB, CMY, HSI, Spectrum, and Filters. Filters are a really great way to select colors because if you already know what color you want, you can just select in here and look through the filters that are available in this console. For this example, I'm going to use the RGB tab. Now, I would like the color blue. I'm going to go as deep blue as I can. And then, once that's done, I select Create Palette. A prompt will appear. I'm going to name this Deep Blue. Once that's done, select OK. And then we're going to go into the Palette tab. You can scroll down. And there it is, your deep blue. Now, you can also record a palette in the Channels tab by selecting your group, Group 1, Enter, and then using the encoder wheels, you can change the color. So for this one, I want a lighter blue. And then you can see on your fixtures itself, the bar has changed colors. So now select Record, Color, and select inside your color palette. You can also create position and beam palettes using the same process. So, for example, let's say that fixture 1 and 4, though they are both my house lights, are on opposite sides of the stage. Fixture 1 is on stage left, and fixture 4 is on stage right. So, in order for them both to be pointed to center stage, they need to be in different positions. So, fixture 1, let's change its pan to 90 degrees and its tilt to 90 degrees. Now, you can select the encoder wheel and simply type in 90. For fixture 4, let's say that the pan has to be negative 90 degrees. And tilt is 90. Now, select both of the fixtures. 4 is already selected, so in your command line, just say and 1, and it selects channel 1 as well. Now, record, position, 1, enter. You can also select record and bump into the position palette, and it records the palette as well. In order to recall a position, select the channel numbers. So let's release the fixtures, go back into the Channels tab. So for this instance, 1 and 4, enter. You can see they're selected, then select at position 1, enter. And you can tell that they've changed by the encoder wheels. Your pan and tilt have changed. If you have any questions, please visit us at strandlighting.com.